Hello. In this video, I will show you how to change your @name on Twitter. Now, it's a very easy process. So open the application, then click on your profile at the top left corner. Now click on Settings and Support. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Now, just simply go inside your account. Then go inside your account information. And right over here, you will have your username at the very top with your @name. So what you have to do is click on that. And then right over here, you will have the access to change your current @username. So just simply remove the current username and add a new one. So make sure to add a unique username because your username should not match any other username currently on the Twitter platform. So just simply add a good username. So the moment you will see the green check mark over here, that means the username that you have just entered is available. But in any case, if you see an exclamation mark, something like this, that means the username is not available and you have to get a new one. So just simply get a green check mark, and the moment you will do that, just simply click on done and you will be able to change your username. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.